All right, here we go. So we're doing cauliflower steak with rice and peas. Nice, simple, it's a vegan dish. Let's do it. All right, so let's do this. It's a really, really simple dish. All you're gonna need for it: roasting tin, and a nice big saucepan with a lid, all right? Going into it, ingredients: cauliflower, we've cut into 4 steaks. We've given it a quick rub with some of our Piri Piri seasoning and a little bit of water to make a paste, and left it to marinate for 10 minutes. Half a chilli, de-seeded and diced, spring onions, juice of 2 limes, a tin and a half of kidney beans that we've washed off, 250 grams of cooked rice, handful of sweet corn, and half a tin of coconut milk. So guys, our cauliflower steaks are cut. What I've done is taken the whole cauliflower, I chopped around a bit, made sure that I got the biggest one I could, all right? We've cut it down into 4 steaks long ways, trying to keep it together as much as we can. Make sure you keep all the leftover cauliflower for our pork dish. We've rubbed it with Piri Piri and a little bit of water, made a paste, left it to marinate for 10-15 minutes. Now it's going to go in the oven for about 40 minutes on 180. What we are going to do is set our alarm for about 25 minutes. Once that alarm goes off, we're going to start making our rice and peas. 15 more minutes on the cauliflower, it'll all be ready. Let's do it. Okay, so the cauliflower's been in the oven for 25 minutes. It's gonna need about another 15. What we're gonna do in the meantime is get our rice and peas sorted. So, for the rice and peas, we're gonna need a nice saucepan with a magical lid. Check that out. That's gonna go on the stove on about a medium heat. To that, we're gonna add 250 grams of cooked rice. It's cold, been cooked, and what we've done is made sure there's no lumps, so it's all nice and flaky. We've got some videos coming out soon showing you how to cook some perfect rice, so keep your eyes out for them. To the rice, half a tin of coconut milk, 1.5 tins of kidney beans, a nice big handful, 50 grams or so of sweet corn, to that, a juice of lime. Little tip, if you need to get extra juice out, just give it a roll on the table. Now it releases all the flesh and releases a bit more of the juice for you. In half, nice big squeeze. And the second half. Our chilli. Take it in half. We're going to save half for another recipe. Now just make sure it's de-seeded. Do not touch your face when you're doing this. Make sure you wash your hands afterwards. I actually quite like it quite spicy, so I'll usually not take out the seeds. And we're just going to finely shred it. Take that out. That goes in. And some spring onions. So with these, just make sure you take the sort of older, drier leaves off out. I've given them a little rinse, and then we're just going to finely shred them. Take off the tops, and again, finely shred. A nice big pinch of salt and pepper. And just a little splash of oil just to help loosen it all up and dress it all. Get in there with a wooden spoon, get it all nicely mixed up. And then on top of that, we're just going to pop our lid. We're going to steam that now for around about 10 minutes, and that should coincide perfectly with our cauliflower steaks being done. Fast forward. So our rice and peas are done. Cauliflower steak is cooked. Let's get it all out and give it a try. Woo-wee! They do smell good. There we go. Our rice and peas have been steaming about 10 minutes. So, to the plate, just gonna add a big portion of our rice and peas. Smells really, really fragrant. Nice smell of coconut, nice smell of chili. Delicious. To that, we're gonna add one of our cauliflower steaks. And then serve it with a wedge of lime. And that is it. So there we go. Cauliflower steak, rice and peas and lime. Smells delicious. Right guys, let's tuck in. Smells amazing. A piri piri sort of marinade, the lime, the coconut, the chili. Smells really, really good. Don't forget, if you're vegans out there, it's vegan friendly. Don't tell anyone. Let's give it a try. Cauliflower's nice and tender. Oh. That piri piri gives it a really good heat actually. I know it's not, strictly right for rice and peas. We're working on a budget, we do what we can. Really, really fragrant, nice and spicy. Nice and mellow from the coconut as well. Really, really cuts through it. Delicious. All right, so next episode, we're gonna be doing a coal cannon style bubble and squeak, fried eggs and bacon. Join us then. I remember to check out what we're doing next time.
I was thinking halfway through, we haven't checked, and you have.